Good afternoon. Welcome to the FXReturn.com Market Quick View report for the major currencies for Thursday, January 22nd, 2009. It's 1830 GMT, 1:30 East Coast time. And this is our website. Right here we have a special 2-week trial, $24.99. Just sign up as a subscription member. That'll let you log in with a subscription membership to have all of our access to our LP intraday signals or our TON trade on new software. When we take a look at the markets, we see the euro. These are our charts right here. We got 12-hour charts up. You can see we've been making waves back down in the euro. Currently 29.54. It's been a little wild. We had a little run up, and then from Sunday night right on down through to the end of the week last week, straight down, a little bounce up, 29.54. You can see that the Gan lines in here, this is a major resistance at about 30.80 to the top side. If we can get it back above 30.80, then I think we have a chance to measure back up, and a Fibonacci level would take to this level. But if not, we have this line of purple containment that I call. If we get hung up on this old Gan line and keep coming back down, then I think the euro could fill out the rest of its trend channel. It's been a wild move for the euro. Look at the pound. We had this in our technical analysis charts. We have a deep downtrend. Each time the MACD turns over, take our Forex Trading class, in a downtrend, right here, here, and here, we expect big moves to the downside, and we got it right here, 48.63, right on down. We had said it may trade down in the 30s. We got 138.18. You can see this trend channel, using this as resistance. Down here would be greater support at the bottom of the trend channel, level closer to 3,500. Resistance moves back up to 43.48. In the British Pound, it's been wild, down almost 1,000 pips. This is a longer-term chart in just a week, from January, the 16th on down. Today's the 22nd. Euro yen, same way. Euro yen has not come through its bottom. We have what it could appear to be a double bottom right here. We do have a divergence between these two signals right now. But the market has got to break out, hold this bottom, come up, close outside this trend channel, and to be able to make moves to retrace back up to 35.40. If the market breaks through these lows, we can take away these Fibonacci retracement levels, as we're going to have to measure something from a much deeper level. Right now, my MACD is just about deeper than this previous hump. If it gets deeper, that tells me there's no divergence between these two bottoms, and then I think we can look for a little lower level. My level was 113.77 that we put in our support and resistance numbers, and right in here, our weekly low, 112.05. So that's the low we're working off of. But until we close below this 1377, you can't really say. But look at the river. It's running down, pushing down, pushing down. It won't take much. Breaks 1377 to the downside. It's going to come down quite a bit. If not, you have to look at about 120. 119.80, that's been our support. So let's look at Euro Yen. Making a double bottom, maybe pushing through. There was those same double bottoms in the pound, and we pushed well through, as the euro has been going up versus the British pound. The euro GBP, it's weak. And we see the euro is very strong versus the British pound right now. And 29.53 is the euro. So the euro, there's its double bottom. Euro yen to it. So euro's, the furthest one back. We got dollar yen, same double bottom as euro yen. Look at the bottom of the trend channel. 89.90. We had these lines in here. When we turn over on the MACD, loses momentum in a downtrend, and we break the line of containment. That was a signal for us, 93.80. Pushing down, looking at 87.18. We got real close. Same story. Could be a divergence right here, but this bottom, if this does not build deeper than this bottom and we can break out, then we can look to retrace to 96.10. We close below 87.18, then we got to forget these retracement levels, as we will have much lower levels to work with, starting with this 86.10 level, the bottom of the trend channel. Swissy going the other way. We had a good pullback. Right now it's at 15.30.46. The retracement level is 15.35. Look at the wicks up here. We have not closed a day above this level. If we close above this level and break the highs of the bar that closed above it, I'm starting to see some momentum build again to the dailies, to the upside, in the midst of an uptrend. So that could lead to higher prices, targeting 22.63. And then the retouch of this trend channel is, if we just pull this trend channel out, we form a bigger pattern. But we're going to stay with this until this MACD gets negative. Right now it's positive 0.73. So Swissy's been going up. Canadian dollar also has been going up, trading 25.83 right now. It's came back down, couldn't get to the moving average. We thought it might get to the moving average, couldn't get there. Now it's forming what's a ascending triangle. We're going to rattle around in here. The best of the move in the Canadian dollar, I believe, is behind us. And I'd hate to get caught in a range. You know, 80% of the time the market's in a range. There's a 5-minute chart just whipping back and forth. And traders tend to lose more money in a trading range than in a trending market. So as long as we're caught up here at the tops, there's no momentum. I think there's other things to look at. We got the New Zealand dollar poking through these lows. If it follows suit like the British pound and leads its way down, I think we can look to lower levels, currently 52.61. It's holding on to this support right here, but the MACD is still building to the downside. And you got the Aussie trading a little stronger, as Aussie's a little stronger versus Kiwi. But look, we're still in the downtrend, building downside momentum. So 65.66 is the current price in the Aussie. See, New Zealand dollar, you got 5,200 is a pretty major level, linchpin there. If not, and this thing turns around, then you can look at this as a divergence into this double bottom. I don't know if we're there yet. Canadian dollar sitting in the range, had a good run up, 25.45. Swissy, 15.45. We're at the 61% retracement level. Remember, close above this on a daily basis, break the highs. You can look for more bullishness. If not, you may have to just take a pause, because I don't know if it's the time to short, as we're pushing these lows. Dollar yen 88.93, so we need to see that break a little deeper. We need this to get deeper, 115.30, and the market will tell you if it goes through these levels, it's going to go through with a fury. You got the pound 38.31. It is through its levels. And the euro just pushing to the downside, 69.65. It's got to 29.65. Got to stay above these lows in here at 28.20. So that's the outlook right now for the currencies. Let's check the news right here at our website. You can log in to all of our trade on news plans and our LP intraday signals. But for our weekly outlook for our TON trade on news plan, today we didn't have much today in the Canadian core retail sales. Had a little loss today, about 30 pips. Tomorrow we have preliminary GDP, Q over Q. And then we have retail sales, that's 9:30, 4:30 a.m. And then 12 o'clock GMT, Canadian core CPI, that's 7 a.m. East Coast time. And that'll round up all of our economic data for the week. Be sure to check us out. Take a 2-week trial, only $24.99. It's a $200 a month value just for our intraday signals and more for our TON, Trade on News software. Trade alongside with us. Become the best trader you can be. We got 2 special offers. If you open your account with FX Solutions, you're going to get our trading signals for free. That's fxsolasia.com. For outside the U.S., same deal outside the U.S. I trade FX with your MT4 platform. Special offer. Open up and receive our trading signals for free. So thanks for following along with our Market Quick View for January 22nd. We've had a nice little holiday in here. Holiday season. Now we're back on our grind, January 22nd. And we'll pick up with the euro right where we left off. And I wish all of you a very great New Year trading. And be sure to visit the website, fxreturn.com. Thanks for following along. Bye-bye.